Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use TikTok Ads Manager. First, you'll need to access the platform using your business account credentials. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which provides a clear overview of your campaigns. Before creating your first ad, ensure all your business information and payment methods are correctly set up. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth advertising experience and helps you get started efficiently. Now, let's dive into creating your first campaign. Begin by selecting a clear objective, such as driving website traffic or increasing app installs. Next, you'll set your budget. You can choose a daily or lifetime amount with a recommended minimum of $20 per day for effective reach. Then, define your ad group, carefully selecting placements and targeting specific audience demographics to ensure your message reaches the right people. Crafting engaging ad creatives is key to success on TikTok. Upload high-quality videos or images that are visually appealing and capture user attention within the first 3 seconds. Your ad copy should be concise, compelling, and always include a clear call to action, guiding viewers on what to do next. Leverage the platform's robust targeting options, focusing on specific interests, behaviors, and demographics to maximize your ad's relevance and impact. Finally, continuous monitoring and optimization are essential for long-term success. Regularly review your campaign's performance metrics, such as impressions, clicks, and conversion rates, to understand what's working. Don't hesitate to adjust your budget and bidding strategies based on these insights. Experiment with /B testing, different ad creatives, and targeting parameters. Even small changes can lead to significant improvements in your return on ad spend over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.